Okay, you guys. This has been a doozy. Just not necessarily with this mixer. I just wanted to show you the inside of how it looks. It did have a minor little bit of sugar right here, but I wanted to show you how it looks. This is the Bella 3.5 handstand mixer. Now this is, I didn't really have to scrape this down. This is great. This is awesome. You're really happy I purchased it. That is the actual scraper. As you can see, there's hardly anything on it. And there, I had to put this to the side. Y'all know I have a small kitchen, but that's how it is, as you can see, average. So I think it's doing pretty well. And y'all pray for me about getting a bigger place. I do have a interview coming up next Thursday with the state of Florida. I tell you, when praises go up, because right now I am on public assistance and it's been a ride, y'all. And also I wanted to show you the flyaways from when I added the sugar to the butter to the mixer as I was having it. But look, that is beautiful. Okay, so hold tight and we're gonna finish this. Hopefully my phone won't die or anything, but you know how life is. So don't, before you come for me, pray for me. Hold just one moment. Okay, we are back, and I'm about to add my eggs. Add 5 eggs, one at a time. So let me put this down. Remember, you add 5 eggs. With cakes, most cakes is 2 to 3. Yes, 2. 3. And remember to make sure to place your eggs in a separate container. Put them in another way. You can really cut them in here. To me, that's the best thing. Okay. So that was our 2. I changed it to 3 because 3 is mixing. Remember in the first video saying how to mix, so up to 3.